Next is circle command. For the circle command, you go to the toolbar, draw, then click the option center radius. You click any point and give the radius 20 and press enter. This is the radius 20 of a circle. You go to the linear dimension, see radius 20 means diameter 30. Again go to the draw, circle and center diameter. Click any point and give the dimension 25. This is a circle of diameter 25. Go to the linear and give the dimension. See, diameter is 25. Again 2-point option. Now you draw a circle and this will be your diameter. So click at this point and the another point. This is 2-point option. Next is 3-point option. I'll draw a circle which will passes through the corner points of this rectangle. So first click at this point, then this point and then this point. Next is 10-10 radius. 10-10 means tangent, tangent and radius. First click this circle as a tangent, second circle as a tangent and give the radius 20. Next is tangent, tangent and tangent. First click this side of this triangle, next this side and then this side. So this is the tangent, tangent, tangent option for the circle command. Next is rectangle command. For the rectangle command, in the command line you type REC and press enter. Now click at any point of the screen and drag your mouse, you will get the rectangle. If you want to put the dimension, then in the command line you type D and press enter. You give the length 100 and width 40. And click anywhere of the screen, you will get the rectangle. You go to the linear option and put the dimension. This is your 40 by 100 rectangle. In the command line, once again you type REC rectangle and for the chamfer option you type CHA. Now the first chamfer distance I am giving 12 and the second chamfer distance is 6. Now first corner point of the rectangle I am clicking here. Now I am to put dimension D for the dimension and the rectangle length is 70 and width is 60. So this is your chamfer option rectangle command. Go to the linear option. This is your chamfer distance 12 and 6. I am putting all the values. This is your chamfer option, rectangle command. You can draw rectangle from the toolbar. Go to the draw, then click at rectangle. Next is fillet. For the fillet option, you type F and enter. Then fillet radius I am giving 15. Now first corner point. Now you have to put the dimension D and the length of the rectangle is 100 and width is 30. So this is your rectangle command with fillet option. Next is ellipse command. This is your ellipse and the major axis here is given 1110 and the minor axis is given 52. You have to draw this ellipse. For the ellipse command, in the command line you type ellipse and press enter. Now you have to specify the axis endpoint. You click any point on this workspace and the other point. You have to specify the other point of the major axis. So other point is 1110. Major axis is 1110, so I am giving the value 1110. Now press enter. Now you have to specify the distance to the other axis. The minor axis is 52, so you have to put the minor axis value, but we have to calculate this value from the center point. So we have to put half of minor axis. It means half of 52 is 26 and you press enter. Now you put the dimension, go to the linear. This is your major axis and this is your minor axis. And see, this is your complete ellipse. You can draw this ellipse from the toolbar. You go to the draw toolbar and then ellipse and center. First click at any point on this workspace and the end point of the axis. End point of the axis means the half distance of major axis. It means here the distance is 1110 major axis, so we have to put the half distance 55. Now press enter and the distance the other axis we have to put the value half of minor axis. It means half of 52 is 26 and you press enter. Now you give the dimension. This is your ellipse command. You can draw the ellipse from the command line or toolbar. Next is point command. For the point command, you go to the command line and type point and press enter. Now you have to specify your point. I am clicking anywhere of the workspace, suppose here, and this is the point. This is a single point. Again I am drawing point, enter. I am taking another point beside of this point. This is single point. See, this point is not visible in your workspace, so you have to change the point style. For that, you go to the format menu bar and then point style. There are lots of point style. You can select any one of them. I am selecting this point style, then OK. See, the point style has been changed. At the single point, you go to the draw toolbar and from there you can go single point. Draw, point and then single point. You click anywhere and this is your point. Again you can change the point style, format, point style. Now I'm clicking this one, then OK, and point style has been changed. For the multiple point, you go to the draw toolbar, then point and then multiple point. Then click multiple point, and by this command you can draw lots of points. Okay. To quit from this menu, you press escape menu. You can change the color of the point style. For that, you go to the command line and type ER. Enter. ER means properties. You select few points and click at color and select any color from this. See, the point style of this color has been changed. So this is point command, multiple point and single point both. Next is measure command. Measure command is used to measure any distance of a line, circle, arc, any object. For this, in the command line you type measure and press enter. Now you select the object. I am selecting this line. After selecting, in the command line you have to type the segment length. Segment length here I am giving 50. Now you press enter after putting the value. Now see, each division is 50 mm here. You check this value, go to the linear command. First distance is 50, again second distance, and the remaining part here you put is 29, and the total length of this straight line is 229. Now add all these values, you will get 229. This is your measure command. You can apply this measure command on the circle or arc for both. For this you type measure or its shortcut form ME. Press enter, select the arc. Now you specify the length. I am here giving the value 40. Now check this value, dimension, then align. This is your 40. Again you can check between these 2 points. This is also 40. Now apply this measure command for this circle. Go to the draw toolbar and point, and then measure. Okay, now select the circle and specify the length segment. Here I am giving the value 45 and press enter. This is your measure command. Next is divide command. For the divide command, you go to the draw toolbar, then point, and here is divide. Click on divide. Now you have to divide the line into 5 equal parts. So click at this line. Now you have to enter the number of segments. Suppose I want to divide this line into 5 equal parts. So to press 5 and enter. See, the straight line has divided into 5 equal parts: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Similarly, if you want to divide the circle into 4 equal parts, then go to the draw toolbar, then point, and then divide. Now select the circle and enter the number of segments. I entered the number 4 and press enter. The circle has divided into 4 equal parts. Okay, this is your divide command. Next is ray command. For the ray command, in the command line you type ray. Now specify the start point. You click at any point. See, you can draw infinite lines from one direction. You can draw various lines. From escape this menu, you press enter. I am erasing these lines. Again, in the command line you type ray. Click any point. You can draw these infinite lines from one direction from the menu bar also. Go to the draw toolbar, then click at ray. Now click any points. This is your ray commands. Next is X-line command. For the X-line command, in the command line you type X-line and press enter. There is various option is given: horizontal, vertical, angular, bisect. First I am typing angular. After typing angular, I am pressing enter. Then I have to put the angle value. I am giving the angle value 40. Press enter. See, all these lines are 40-degree line. To escape this menu, you press enter. Again I am typing X line, angular, then reference. You type R and press enter. Select a line. Suppose I am selecting this line. This is the reference line. Now I have to put the angle value. I am putting the angle value 60 degree. So press enter. So these lines are 60-degree line with the reference of this blue line. Escape this menu, press enter. Now again I am typing X line, then offset, type O and press enter, giving the offset value 50. Press enter. Now select a line. I am selecting this line. Click here. This line is 50 degree, 50 mm. Now go to the dimension, linear, see this value is 50. Okay, again I am typing X line command, then bisect, type B and press enter. Specify the angle vertex. Click at this point, then this point, and next this point, and press enter. This is the bisector of this angle. You go to the dimension and angular, click at these two lines, see this is the bisector angle is 31 degree and the total angle is 62. Again I am typing X line and for the horizontal you type HOR, press enter. Now click at any point of the screen. This is the horizontal X line. Again I am giving vertical. Now you draw vertical line in the screen. You can draw this X line command from the menu bar. You go to the draw and then construction line. You write horizontal, this is your X line command.